So I want to go with this one. The next part of this question is about um, what are your top 5 criteria when you focus, you really focus when you're hiring a manager for your team? When you're recruiting a manager for your team, what are the 5 things do you consider most?
Okay, I'm not sure if I not enough 5 criteria, but I can go with you by one. My top one is about the experience. I always look at the experience, whether they have the experience that meet my requirement for the job, because that one is very important. Because I think it's not only me. I think many leader actually apply that one, because if you got the like a manager is the person who manage the team and execute a lot of things. So they need to have experience, right? If not, it's difficult. Although I sometimes offer an opportunity for those not really have experience on that means the right experience, but they have like a similar one, could be like quite similar, then I still can offer. And then, but you need to spend time to train them. All right. So that means the experience is the first one. The second one is about, let's say, the second one will be communication skill. Okay, communication skill is something I can feel when I have an interview with them, because the way they look at me, the way they answer, the way they confident in answer the question, the way they can use the wording, they can answer the question properly. So this kind of skill, I think I really want to look at. Yeah. And the third one is the management style, because sometimes management style is something that it related to your culture, your company culture. You want to make sure to choose the person who actually got a good, the appropriate, not really, I don't say good or not good, but appropriate um, skill or management skill or management style to actually meet the culture of the company, or maybe the culture of the CEO want to create. All right. And then the last one I think important is the education background. So usually is I think that's just four. To me, just four is not really fine, but I think that's the most important to me.
Thank you. Thanks for sharing. So, viewers, here's the point. Number one, to focus about hiring a manager is experience, and I absolutely agree with that one too. So, if you're a young star and if you want to earn more moving forward, you want to increase your hourly rates, you want to increase your earning, focus on the places who can give you the experience. Even you are young and you are not earning enough, if you look for the places who can go to the next level role, they let you lead other people. It's very, very important, because when you learn how to lead other people, and when a place, a company give you an opportunity to lead other people, give you a management experience, then that will get you a really high expanse of increasing your earning moving forward. You want to earn more, so find places who can let you get experience. When you get the experience, you will get a real good numbers on that one. Number two, communication skill. Number three, management style. Number four, education background. And number five, I want to add attitudes. You have to build an attitude. If you want to join and work with me, you have to have a positive attitude to work with me. So this is the thing is about, so attitudes I'm going to focus as well to the number five. So viewers, go ahead, focus on these things, and that can help you to go become a manager. If you're looking for a next level role or you want to be a manager, these are the things you need to build on moving forward.
Well, I think the attitude one to me is also important, but I combine it in the communication skill, because that part is actually I communicate with them. I can, because at the first impression, right? When you talk to them, you're not really for sure that they got the right attitude or not. But at least you can feel something during the communication stage that you're talking, right? But if talking about attitude, yes, in general, I think in theory, that's very important. But to identify it at the criteria at the time you make an interview, okay, or you choose a team member, is difficult to judge at that time. That need time, okay, to prove it.